Welcome to the ultimate financial showdown. Millennials versus Gen Z. Who actually handles money better? Millennials entered the workforce during a massive recession. Gen Z watched the economy crash on TikTok. Both generations faced tough economies, but their reactions created entirely different financial cultures. Let us compare. First up, making money. Millennials were told to get a degree and climb the corporate ladder. Gen Z said no thanks to the latter. They prefer digital leverage and the creator economy. The millennial side hustle is driving an Uber. The Gen Z side hustle is dropshipping internationally. Millennials trade their precious free time on weekends just to secure a second reliable digital paycheck. Gen Z builds automated online systems focusing heavily on generating passive digital income while they sleep. A millennial will freelance on Upwork for hours. A Gen Z creates one viral UGC video. But let us be brutally honest. Both generations are working incredibly hard just to pay rent. Speaking of rent and expenses, let us talk about the giant elephant in the room. Debt. Millennials are famously buried under absolute mountains of high-interest student loans from their university days. This massive debt burden aggressively delayed their ability to purchase a home or start a family. Because of this, millennials learn to meticulously play the credit card points game to fund vacations. Gen Z actually fears traditional credit cards. They heavily prefer using simple debit to avoid debt. But they quickly fell into a brand new, highly deceptive financial trap called buy now, pay later. Gen Z is literally splitting $20 fast food purchases into 4 incredibly stressful micropayments online. Millennials obsess over maintaining a perfect FICO credit score, to secure the best possible mortgage rates. Gen Z barely knows what a FICO score actually is, relying completely on alternative modern metrics. So where do they actually keep the money they have left? Welcome to the banking battle. Millennials still inherently trust legacy banks. They like walking into a physical branch when problems arise. Gen Z thinks traditional banks are dinosaurs. They use neobanks, Cash App, and sleek digital wallets instead. For budgeting, millennials absolutely love their complex, color-coded Excel spreadsheets to track every single daily expense. A millennial will manually categorize every $4 coffee and grocery run at the end of the month. Gen Z completely relies on artificial intelligence apps to autosave and budget their money without thinking twice. They simply swipe through beautiful user interfaces that gamify the entire process of saving their cash. Now, let us dive into the most exciting difference. How do these two generations actually invest? Millennial investing is famously slow and steady. Gen Z investing is a highly volatile, adrenaline-fueled roller coaster. Millennials love boring index funds, mutual funds, and safely maxing out their traditional employer-sponsored retirement accounts. They firmly believe in the slow magic of compound interest over a 30-year extended time horizon. Millennials still view owning real estate as the ultimate, undeniable milestone for building true generational wealth. Gen Z, feeling priced out of housing, gets most of their financial advice directly from TikTok. They enthusiastically embrace high-risk cryptocurrencies, digital assets, and highly volatile meme stocks driven by social media. Gen Z also fully popularized fractional shares, realizing you can buy a tiny slice of Apple. Millennials invest carefully to secure their distant future. Gen Z invests aggressively to potentially get rich tomorrow. This perfectly brings us to the ultimate end goal. What does retirement even look like today? Many millennials eagerly join the FIRE movement, which stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. They save an aggressive percentage of their income, hoping to permanently quit working by age 40. A hardcore millennial will happily eat rice and beans for 10 straight years to achieve this. Gen Z completely rejected this idea and invented something brand new called soft saving instead. They absolutely refused to sacrifice their precious youth and vitality just to be rich much later. Gen Z strongly believes in spending money on mental health, luxury travel, and unforgettable experiences today. They look at the looming climate crisis and the volatile economy, thinking traditional retirement is impossible. So who is actually winning the modern money war? The truth is, both generations have blind spots. Millennials seriously risk burning out completely, forgetting to actually enjoy the money they save so aggressively. Gen Z risks reaching age 60 with absolutely zero safety net and no compound interest growth. But if they simply combined their unique mindsets, they would create the ultimate modern financial blueprint. Imagine having the steady, highly disciplined index fund strategy of a millennial, paired with Gen Z income. Imagine millennials finally learning to enjoy their money today, while Gen Z harnesses long-term compound interest. True wealth is not just math. It is finding the perfect balance between securing tomorrow and today. Let us break down the exact math. A millennial saving $500 monthly in the index. Over 30 years, that disciplined millennial will easily retire with over $1 million in the bank. Meanwhile, a Gen Z risking that same 500 on a speculative crypto coin could lose everything. But if that Gen Z invests it into a scalable digital business, they could make millions overnight. The millennial path guarantees a comfortable, safe retirement. The Gen Z path offers extreme, asymmetrical upside potential. So we must stop violently fighting over avocado toast and overpriced iced matcha lattes on the internet. A $5 morning coffee is absolutely not the fundamental reason you are currently feeling completely broke. What actually makes you broke are high interest rates, ridiculous car payments, and unchecked lifestyle inflation. No matter what exact generation you happen to belong to, the core rules of money never change. Core rule number 1 will always remain the same. You must consistently spend less than you earn. Core rule number 2 is to take that exact difference and consistently invest it into appreciating assets. Core rule number 3 is aggressively protecting your peace of mind by building a solid emergency fund. Uninterrupted time is the single most powerful financial tool you have. The earlier you start, the better. Millennials currently have a massive head start, but Gen Z has boundless youth and disruptive technology completely. The real, brutal battle is not millennials versus Gen Z. It is you versus your own habits. Stop letting your temporary, fleeting emotions dictate your daily impulsive online purchases and subscription renewals. Learn to completely master your own psychological triggers and watch your bank account balances magically grow. Always watch out for deadly hidden fees, compounding high-interest debt, and sneaky subscription services you forgot. True financial literacy is the ultimate modern cheat code. It is the universal language of absolute freedom. Whether you are building traditional safety nets or coding the next massive digital empire, plan carefully. Always aggressively diversify your income. Never rely on a single fragile paycheck to sustain your entire lifestyle. Having extreme job security is genuinely great, but having total flexibility is the definition of new wealth. Keep your personal and professional options completely open and stay highly adaptable to rapidly changing economic conditions. Successfully building real wealth is a grueling marathon, not a quick, desperate sprint to the finish line. Completely ignore the flashy, loud online influencers falsely promising overnight riches and guaranteed luxury lifestyles immediately. Blindly following viral social media trends is exactly how you lose all your hard-earned money very quickly. Always take the time to deeply do your own rigorous research before making any major financial investment. Both generations should absolutely maximize their respective tax-advantaged accounts to legally keep more of their money. Getting tax breaks is essentially receiving free money directly from the government. You must absolutely use it. We currently live in a massively interconnected global economy. Your financial perspective must adapt to this reality. Start openly talking about money with your trusted friends, family members, and professional colleagues without any shame. Breaking the toxic societal taboo around discussing salary and consumer debt ultimately helps absolutely everyone win together. Above all else, always fiercely invest in your own personal energy, physical health, and mental well-being daily. Your mind and your body are undeniably the most important, valuable long-term assets you will ever own. At the absolute end of the day, money is simply a useful tool. It is not everything. Your net worth does not dictate your actual self-worth or your ultimate value as a human being. Use your money to intentionally design the exact life you want, not what society desperately demands. You can definitely achieve total financial freedom regardless of the specific year you were actually born in. It just takes incredibly consistent discipline, a solid strategic plan, and a willingness to constantly keep learning. So take the absolute best, most resilient parts of millennial grit and classic financial discipline immediately. Then seamlessly combine it with Gen Z's incredible digital innovation, extreme adaptability, and bold modern thinking. We must completely bridge the massive generational gap. Share your best financial hacks with each other constantly. Remember that a rising economic tide ultimately lifts absolutely every single boat in the entire harbor together. If you found this deep generational breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Drop a like on the video, leave a comment below, and stay incredibly smart with your money.